Having one of the best beginner cameras is very important. If you're looking to take up photography as a hobby, whether you want to take beautiful landscape shots, take up astrophotography, or simply capture some great family photographs, having a capable camera can make all the difference. Our list of the 6 best beginner cameras in 2024 includes our picks of the best cameras for newcomers, including models from leading brands such as Sony, Canon, and Nikon. In coming up with our list, we've considered which cameras are easy to use, what features they have, and how well they scale to your abilities as you become more proficient. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to check that the products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end. Number 6. Nikon D3500. DSLR camera is a phenomenal choice for DSLR beginners. Sleek, light, and super strong. It is very user-friendly and precise for taking sharp shots. Indeed, it is an intelligent pick if you are ready to take the next steps in your photography journey for the novice in the world of photography. The Nikon D3500 DSLR camera is the best friend who guides you picture sharp and clear images that seem like you can walk into them, all thanks to its 24.2 megapixel sensor. You don't have to worry about dark lit rooms or bright outdoor scenes either. Its ISO range of up to 25/600 lets this camera cope with light the way your eye does. The D3500's menu is easy to use, and it has tutor modes that are rather like having a tutor sitting over your shoulder. Moreover, Bluetooth lets you send your latest shot to your phone within seconds. It is also small, so that it doesn't hinder your travel. Sure, it doesn't have a swiveling screen and 4K shooting, but it gets the essentials right, which is perfect for the budding photographer. Number 5. Canon EOS R100 summarizes mirrorless innovation in a little package. It is equipped with a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor and 4K video ability, and is designed for mobile content creators. The Canon EOS R100 is a real gem for newcomers to the camera market. It sports a 24.1 megapixel sensor, meaning that your photos will be all sorts of sharp, whether you are capturing a birthday party or grabbing the sunset. In addition, it creates videos in 4K, so your homemade video appears more like a Hollywood movie than a home video. Don't worry about tricky settings, because this camera comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so your pictures will be on your phone quickly. Its autofocus locks onto eyes like a magnet, so you'll get sharp photos of people without hassle. The EOS R100 is like your photography journey in a box. Easy enough to begin with assurance, but loaded with functionalities to discover as you get into the flow. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6000 mirrorless camera. Delivering a 24.3 megapixel APS-C sensor. Alongside a Bion ZX processor, the Sony Alpha A6000 provides fast shooting and top-quality images in a sleek and portable body, perfect for the go-anywhere photographer. With a Sony Alpha A6000, you have the key to seeing, using, and feeling the moments of your life in full detail. This camera is great for beginners and professionals alike. The 24.3 megapixel sensor is the artist's eye, making you perceive everything as perfect, sharp pictures. The lenses are your storytelling tools. An 85mm portrait lens that makes your subjects pop from a beguilingly dreamy, out-of-focus background, and a flexible 16-50mm lens for expansive landscapes and intimate close-ups. An extra battery will give you more time for shooting, cleaning gear to keep your kit clean, and a 64GB micro SD card to store all your masterpieces. This is simply the complete package. The software is simple to use. However, it can develop your eminence to the professional level. Number 3. Nikon ZFC is a powerhouse camera that's redefining the game for photography enthusiasts everywhere. With its 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor, you can expect nothing short of breathtaking image quality, whether you're shooting landscapes or capturing fast-paced action. The burst shooting of up to 11 FPS with full AF ensures you never miss a moment. And when it comes to video, the oversampled UHD 4K capabilities deliver crystal-clear footage with unparalleled detail. But what really sets the Nikon ZFC apart is that it fully articulates the 1.04 met dot rear touchscreen and the 2.36 meter dot OLED viewfinder, providing flexibility and clarity like never before. Plus, the manual ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation dials put complete control at your fingertips, easily unleashing your creativity. Overall, the Nikon ZFC is a must-have for passionate photographers and filmmakers seeking versatility, control, and uncompromising quality. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this camera will elevate your creative journey to new heights. Number 2. Fujifilm X-T30 II mirrorless camera is a powerhouse packed into a compact frame. With its 4th generation X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, expect unparalleled image quality with minimal noise, even at high ISOs. The lightning-fast autofocus, thanks to the X-Processor 4 quad-core CPU, ensures you never miss a moment, even in low-light conditions. But it's not just about photos. This camera shines in video too. From 4K recording to super slow-motion effects, filmmakers will love the versatility it offers. Plus, with 10-bit color options and 18 film simulation modes, you can truly unleash your creativity. Speaking of creativity, the X-T30II's vintage charm and touchscreen functionality make shooting a breeze. And when it comes to sharing your masterpieces, it's as simple as connecting via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Some users have reported issues with battery life, so keep that in mind if you're planning a full day of shooting. Overall, if you're a photography enthusiast or filmmaker looking for top-notch image quality and advanced features in a compact package, the Fujifilm X-T30 II is definitely worth considering. Just make sure to have a spare battery hand. Number 1. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 APS-C interchangeable lens mirrorless vlog camera kit is a game-changer for content creators and vloggers, offering impressive features, versatility, and exceptional video quality. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it perfect for on-the-go vlogging, while the interchangeable lens system opens up a world of creative possibilities. The autofocus performance, featuring real-time eye autofocus and real-time tracking, ensures subjects remain in focus with astonishing accuracy, freeing creators to focus on storytelling. The vari-angle LCD screen facilitates framing shots from creative angles, and the product showcase mode adds a professional touch to product reviews and demonstrations. With high-resolution 4K video capability and high dynamic range, or HDR shooting, the ZV-E10 consistently delivers stunning image quality. The inclusion of a windscreen for the built-in microphone enhances audio quality for outdoor recording, while compatibility with external microphones ensures professional-grade audio capture for interviews and immersive soundscapes. So that's wrapping our list of the top 6 best beginner cameras. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Each of the cameras on this list offers its own unique set of features and capabilities, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're interested in content creation, traditional photography, or a balance of both, there's a camera here that can help you take your skills to the next level. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a camera that you feel comfortable with, and that will inspire you to keep shooting and learning. With the right camera in hand, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning images and creating unforgettable memories. So, take the time to explore these options and find the camera that's the perfect fit for your photography journey. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which camera you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.